Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel. I just discovered a brand new website we haven't talked about before that pays real money for simple tasks. I also found a free software program that does all of the work for you, so you don't have to spend hours completing these tasks to earn passive income. You do not need experience or any money to make money online. But before we begin, welcome to Top 4 Earn, where we will show you the simplest way of making money online. You will be notified when we upload new videos on how to make money online if you subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. As soon as you have updated this video, you can start making things happen. Please give it a big thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video. I would like to remind you that if you want to make it work, follow every step and do not skip anything. I am offering a free software program that will do all of the work for you, and, as I said, you can earn money hands-free. Before I explain the process, you must visit this brand new website called jink.info. Mexico, Colombia, Philippines, United States, Canada or Australia is not a problem since anyone can use it. As you can see, you can make money for free by joining their website. You don't have to invest anything and there's no obligation. This website has a variety of ways that you can make money, but there is one thing that we will do to make you the most money, without you having to do the hard work. If while the software handles most of the work for you, you can also do market research, typing jobs, proofreading, advertising, and online teaching. But these are optional activities. Last but not least, you can read testimonials from people all over the world who have been using this website and have made a lot of money through it since it started in 2014. They have been online for over 6 years, so it's a decent website that people use. If it did not work, they would have already gone. But they're still around. For the sake of this video, we will just discuss online proofreading jobs that are going to pay a substantial amount per these words. Right here, you are just correcting grammar errors, spelling mistakes, and factual inaccuracies. If you don't know English, you don't need to be fluent, you don't have to be a native speaker, or anything else. I'm going to share a free software that will take care of all the hard work. You simply copy and paste the articles, and the software does all the work. Click on this button and continue to click on online proofreading jobs for more information. We will need to copy articles and paste them in the software that will proofread them for us so that we can get paid per job. Find out how it works, the nature of the job, the salary and how much you will earn. However, before we do that, I need to explain to you how to apply for a job and where you can get articles so you can be paid per job you complete. If I hope you guys liked the video and subscribe to the channel, so please hit the like button. Next up, go to jink.info and scroll down a bit, then click on this button and then click on the download application form. Once you have completed the registration form, you will be asked to select a proofreading job. It's very important that you enter your first and last name in this box, as well as your email address in order for them to contact you about future job opportunities. Next, you have to indicate your birthday, gender, and marital status, as well as your phone number. You must also enter your country so that they may contact you if there are any more openings. There are always jobs here no matter where you come from, so you'll always find something to do here if you want to maximize your results and get more jobs to do. In the current professional status section, I recommend selecting employed or freelancer, as that will give you more job opportunities, and in the what hours are you available to work section, they will show you more jobs. You will be shown more jobs, and I strongly recommend selecting these options so that the client knows you are available all day. I have mentioned previously that it is possible to accomplish a task in less than a minute, so you can complete it from any location. You do not have to sit in front of a computer all day long. You can work from anywhere you like, at any time. As a result, I recommend that you select multiple companies because you want to work for as many companies as possible so you can make more money. Then, choose whatever payment method you prefer. For me, PayPal is a favorite, so I choose it and enter my PayPal email address. So I got to know they could pay me via my personal account. After that, I just hit submit and we're done. This means you will receive jobs when you complete the form. So for example, once you have created your account and applied for a proofreading job successfully, you will start receiving jobs. Now they will send you an article that will explain how to reduce or eliminate grammatical errors. You can use Grammarly for proofreading, and it will show you this page right here, where you can paste your text into this box, and it will also underline all of the errors. It will only take you a few minutes to complete the process. In this app, You can get grammatically correct error suggestions for your Google Chrome browser, just like this example on our Google Doc. When grammatically correct errors are detected, the app will show you what you can do immediately to correct them. Once they find the errors, the software will suggest the correct phrase to improve your article, and generally proofread it, so you can just copy the entire article. Go in terms of creative jobs, submit your project and you'll get paid handsomely for each job you complete. It's very simple and straightforward, and it requires no prior experience.
They add up
you don't also have to sell anything. I have found one of the easiest ways to make money online that I found recently that doesn't require you to wait for sales. It's not affiliate marketing and it's not even affiliate marketing. This was top 4. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like the video, and I'll see you next time.